Today for the Bitcoin price. And guys, I am not exaggerating. This is a very, very big warning for everyone in Bitcoin right now. Maybe the biggest one I ever had. Let me go here straight into the charts. And if you watch the video I uploaded earlier, it already got 110,000 views within 7 hours here in the YouTube backend. And I was talking about this rising wedge here, which is on the 4-hourly, on the daily, and on the weekly, a valid pattern here, which I said technically, statistically, it breaks more often to the downside than towards the upside. However, for Bitcoin, these things usually work a little bit differently, to be honest. But right now, you can see after Bitcoin was creating it here, number one, retesting it, number two, retesting it once again, number three, number four, number 5, 6, 7 touches, 8, 9 touches. And here we had multiple touches now. We had more than 10 touches, and you know the deal. The more often we are testing it, the more likely it is to be broken. And the question is, right now, this red candle, which is here evolving on the charts, is this the candle which breaks the pattern? Is this the candle right now which confirms that this breakout is actually going to happen towards the downside? And remember, the price target is $17,500, the bottom of the wedge. You could take actually this also as a bottom of the wedge. You should take this, but you could also take the one with $29,000 as a price target. The bottom line is, the most important question is this one here going to break down? Is it breaking down right now? Or are we getting furthermore another liquidity event, which the OTC people actually need on the OTC markets, on the exchange markets, the selling volume to buy into the markets before we are reversing to the upside for good? Remember, we had multiple of those where a lot of volume is created in the end of these retracements here before we are going up. The market is designed to take, remember that, the most amount of money from the most amount of people most of the time. Da Vinci J15 is saying that, and it is actually true. This is a law of nature actually, and we always need, before a big pump, there is usually a big dump to shake out the weekends and to create non-profitability on the Bitcoin blockchain before we can go furthermore towards the upside for good. So I want to talk about that. I will talk about my trades because I am going to take significant actions on my trades here if this is going to solidify. So number one, the volume is not in yet. I was telling you, I will ring all the alarm bells when we are getting a significant volume increase here, and when the volume candle, and this is the 4-hourly, let me go over to the daily, a daily volume candle will significantly be higher than the previous volume candles. Let me zoom in here a little bit on the daily. And so far, this is just not the case yet. The daily candle is closing very, very soon, and we are still very low. So what we need here to confirm that this is a valid breakout towards the downside is a high volume. This video is a warning on the one hand, of course, because there's always the possibility that we can break down. But the most important purpose of that video is that I don't want you to freak out, that I want you to actually look for the confirmation signs. Because whether it's on the one hand a big shorting opportunity, it could be just a fake out and the biggest long opportunity we had in a very long time. And this is what I want to talk about right now. So you can see the Bitcoin price basically dumping here below the support. We had a few of these wicks below. This is why I am waiting for a daily close below. And in the best case for the bears, a weekly close below could really indicate, okay guys, now it is getting very hot, very dangerous for Bitcoin, and we are not seeing that yet. We have to wait for the chart to tell us what to do. In case this is not happening, and this is what I want you to take away from that video. Look at this. If we are not closing below every single freaking time we were going below, shaking out weekends, an insane pump followed afterwards. Number one here in January, a pump of basically 92% after we were shaking out the weekends here with an insane volume. And the same thing happens over and over again. Every single time we are dumping below, but not confirming a breakdown. That's why I don't want you to freak out here. Wait for the confirmation signs to say we are going lower. Here, 42%. This is what's very important to consider right now. Of course, if you are in a profitable long position right now, and I will show you my long positions as well. We had many long position entries actually. A lot of them unfolding within the last few days. So you can put your stop loss down below. I would personally monitor the charts and see whether the volume is coming in, see whether we are confirming a breakdown. So far it doesn't look like that. I wouldn't freak out here before we are seeing that, and I would open a short position only if we are seeing all the confirmation signs. Of course, I am having my trades open. I will only take significant actions on my trades. This one here, 2.1 million US dollars in a profit, $200,000 funding fee already. Crazy, but that's the deal. Like, if it's so easy, then of course the funding fees are higher. We are paying the shorts right now. 2.1 million. I am not taking profits yet. I will ring the alarm bells when it is the time. And you know the deal, guys. I am always here for you. You are smashing up the like button towards the new all-time high. You are sharing the video with your friends. Our views are going up. I am getting the signal from you that you want more of these additional videos on the sidelines, and I am delivering on my promise, guys. I will make these videos, especially in the moments when they are necessary. Also, my trade over on Bybit, 530,000 US dollars, still open, still in a profit. I am not gonna close it down until we are seeing the warning signs. I will update you. Make sure you take advantage of the link down below in the pinned comment. You actually scroll down to the pinned comment section. If you click these links after your initial deposit, you get 700 US dollars for free, and you can trade with that free bonus. You can long Bitcoin, you can short Bitcoin, and withdraw the profits even from this only bonus trade also for free without even touching your own money. It is in the pinned comment down below. Make sure you take advantage of that. Bottom line is, guys, yes, big warning. We are on the verge of breaking down, but we need daily candle close below. Maybe even a weekly would be better. We need the volume. We need finally the volume to confirm. A close plus the volume. We had volume, but we never had a close below. If we get both, well, and then a confirmation of the previous support, which is then turning into resistance, that's the moment I will be ringing all the alarm bells, and then I will reveal to you how I will plan this situation, how I will play this situation in the immediate short term. Thank you so much for watching, guys. I am freaking tired. I still have a collaboration later on, a surprise one. I will update you about that. Thank you so much for watching until the end, for liking the video, commenting, subscribing, join the MMCrypto family, subscribe to the channel, press the bell, press on all, and with that being said, we will see you very soon at the next one of MMCrypto. As always, guys, as always, bye-bye.